15,000. Yes, $15,000 is the average hiring cost for a bad hire. For an executive position in a corporate environment, this cost may go very high. And for a small business, don't even think about it. So, what can we do about it? Well, imagine if you have a list of strategic questions which you can ask during the interview to a candidate and find out their level of skill, knowledge, and character. This will definitely help you to reduce your bad hiring risk. Well, almost zero. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about top 10 strategic questions which you should be asking to your candidate. These questions will help you to ease your hiring process and make it super duper effective. We have designed this question to uncover the true potential of any candidate. It will ensure you make a clear distinction between fit and unfit candidate. So, let's get started. To hire the top talent, your interview should be mainly divided into two parts. Part 1, which is all about revealing the true potential, and Part 2, which is avoiding unfit candidate. So, let's dive into the Part 1. Remember, this part is focused on whether candidate is meeting your job criteria or not. Basically, you measure what if candidate can handle day-to-day activity of the job description. So, let's talk about some questions that can truly reveal a candidate potential. Question number 1. Tell me about the time you overcome a significant challenge. This question helps to identify the problem-solving skill and resilience. So, basically, it's like finding a diamond in the dust. Let's say you ask this question to a candidate for a project management position. Then you can expect the candidate would be talking about how he or she turned around a failing project and meeting project deadline. This question basically helps to identify the problem-solving skill of candidate. Question number 2. What professional achievement you're most proud of? This question basically helps to identify the candidate values and also understand what is their ability to achieve goals. In my experience, one candidate shared how they led a demotivated project team that significantly improved the project performance and gained client confidence. This wasn't just a professional achievement, but showed their passion and ability to use skill and knowledge to mitigate the risk. Remember, this kind of story sets a best candidate apart from good candidate. Question number 3. How do you stay updated with industry trends? This question basically aims to assess the candidate approach for continuous learning and staying relevant to the industry. As an answer, you can expect the candidate is talking about additional certification, degree, attending webinar or conferences. Their detailed answer should show that they were proactive about their personal and professional growth. It's like a hidden talent in your team's artillery. Question number 4. What unique skill do you bring to the position? This question is encourage candidate to highlight unique attribute and skills. For this question, candidate answer may be a combination of technical expertise and creative problem-solving skill. They may share a story about creating innovative solutions that saved their previous company thousands of dollars. This question basically helps candidate to highlight their unique ability and skill which can be very useful for your company. Trust me, this question will help you to find a lot of hidden gems in the market. Question number 5. Can you give me an example of project where you took the lead? This question basically aims to find out the leadership quality of a candidate for taking initiative. Once I heard about a candidate who led a critical project under tight deadline and limited resources. Their leadership turned the project into massive success, showing their ability to set up and lead. Leadership is not just about title and role, it's about getting their hand dirty on the ground. Now remember, for an open position, both fit and unfit candidate can meet your job description. The idea is to find out which candidate fits with your company culture. Company culture is a key for productivity and efficiency of a particular candidate. So, our next part is all about finding which candidate is fit as per your company culture. Question number 6. Describe a situation where you disagree with a team member and how it is resolved. This question tests conflict resolution skill and team ability of a candidate. Here, candidate can describe a heated debate over project priorities, how they took the initiative to mediate and find a common ground, which ultimately led to cohesive team and successful project. Basically, these questions can reveal if someone is a peacemaker or troublemaker or a psycho. Question number 7. What motivates you to perform well at your job? This question basically aims to assess the candidate motivation and their personality. Here, candidate can answer how he or she was motivated by continuous improvement and helping others grow. It aligned perfectly with this company's value. This question will ensure that your new hire will thrive in your company culture and environment. Question number 8. How do you handle tight deadlines? This question basically aims to assess the candidate time management and stress handling skills. Here, candidate can explain how they use a detailed planner or prioritize their tasks, even under pressure. Also, they may talk about some theoretical approach for managing deadline. Remember, it's all about finding a candidate who can keep their cool while he is on. Question number 9. What are your long-term goals and how does this role fit into them? This question basically tests whether candidate trajectories align with company goal. Always check if candidates share their vision of growing within the company and also contributing to the long-term project. Their goal should align perfectly with your mission and making them an ideal fit. This question basically reveals if candidate is here for a longer haul or he is just doing window shopping. Question number 10. How do you measure success in your role? This question reveals how candidates set goals and measure their own success. Also, question can uncover whether a candidate has a growth mindset or not. A standout response would be a candidate who emphasizes both personal goal as well as team achievement. They should have clear, measurable goals and also a track of record for meeting them. This question basically tells how candidates set their goal and how they achieve it. And there you have it. Top 10 strategic question which you should be asking to a candidate during the interview. Remember, it's not about filling the position. It's always about finding the right fit and avoiding the hiring mistakes for your company. If you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. And also, don't forget to share which one is your favorite interview question. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your hiring success together. Bye for now.